Hello, this is my science project about the universe. The first thing I will be talking about in my science project is going to be constellations. There are many hard to read constellations like Corona Borealis. And then there are many easy ones like Hercules. Now we're going to start doing planets. Our first planet is Mercury. Mercury is very hot because it is closest to the sun, so therefore it is our first planet. It looks like a big potato from very far away, but actually that's just the rough edges on the surface. Here's a closer look. Now we're going on to Venus. Venus is the second closest planet to the sun. Venus is very hot. If we tried to land there, the astronauts would get incinerated. Our next planet would be Earth, but since Google Earth does not allow us to show Earth, we will just go on to Mars. Mars is the fourth planet from the sun. Mars is very hot, which is very questioning because we are not as hot as Mars. And Mars is our next door neighbor. Mars has many deep chasms and mountains. Our next planet is Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system. It has many moons. It also has a storm right here that has been raging on for billions and billions of years. Our next planet is Saturn. Many people know Saturn by its rings, which are mostly made of ice particles. The rings are labeled A, B, C, D in the alphabet. If we were actually on Saturn, our face would be touching our toes because of the gravitational pull. Our next planet is Uranus. Uranus also has rings, but they're not as visible as Saturn's rings. Uranus's rings are also classified as A, B, C, D. I'm not saying that they only have 4. It is tilted on an axis, so the winds are stronger on Uranus than any other planet. The next planet is Neptune. Neptune was named after the god of water, Neptune. Neptune is named Neptune because the surface looks like it's full of water, but it probably doesn't have any water, just ice. Our next and final planet is Pluto. Pluto is the smallest planet. Some people think Pluto is a star. Some think Pluto is just some kind of planet. And the final planet is our Mother Earth. Earth is the only planet sustainable for life in the solar system. It is sustainable for life because it has an atmosphere, it has CO2, and it has oxygen and water. That is my project on the universe.